Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Siacoin has formed a quite long down channel on a daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then on this daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this channel. And recently, the price and is once again bounced very well from this uptrend line support. This is, by the way, a quite long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that. This support is coming from the month of November 2022. You see, we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, stable touch points here. Then we had a very, very massive rally. And this was another bounce. And recently, in the previous week, you can see that the price and is once again bounced from this support. And now it is moving towards the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very, very massive hidden bullish divergence that is flashed on the 7 days time frame chart as the price end is still forming higher low than previous low, but at the same time you can see that stochastic has formed a very, very big lower than previous. This is a very, very huge hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. You can see that previous low on the 7 days time frame chart was from here in the month of September 2023, and after that is forming another very, very obvious lower than previous in the current month. For the past several months, by the way, it is moving inside this oversold zone and forming lower than previous low. And we will also take a look at this hidden bullish divergence signal as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Siacoin. And this move produced almost 15% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Siacoin that I shared a few days ago on 23rd of July 2024 with my members. And this was a harmonic bullish reverse guarded pattern that Siacoin formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 15% pump. And before that, we caught almost 75% pump. And this was another harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And by the way, I shared this idea on January 11, 2024 with my members. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Siacoin. And this is the weekly. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this channel. And recently, you can see that the price line is once again bounced from the support of this channel. Previous bounce was happening here on 5th of July 2024. And this bounce is happening here after 1 month on 5th of August 2024. And now the price line has moved very close to the resistance of this long down channel. And in case of another rejection by the resistance, it can once again test the support, this uptrend line support somewhere here, approximately at $0.0037. And in case of breaking out this channel, because this is a bullish bias pattern, therefore there are more chances that the price end may break out the resistance of this channel. The technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 1.2 cents. But in my opinion, after the breakout from this channel, it can also hit this resistance of 1.4 cents as well. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.4 cents has been previously working as a resistance here. And here, despite this long spike, the price could not break it out. And before that, it was working as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been working as a support here and resistance here as well. Now, on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price line is still moving very close to this uptrend line support. At the same time, the price line is forming higher low than previous low. And if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it has formed lower than previous. The price line breaks down this uptrend line support, then it can form another lower than previous low. And in that situation, this hidden bullish divergence signal can be removed from the chart. So far, so good. We have this very, very massive hidden bullish divergence signal on this 7 days time frame chart. That is another signal or indication that soon the pricing can break out the resistance of this channel. Now, if we take a look at the target for the previous breakout that was happened here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel, that technical target is here at the top of the channel. That can be somewhere between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.